little space, then pull me close. I read your silence, louder than most. One day you're warm, the next day you're cold. Got me second guessing what I already know. I give you love, but you ask me. You open up just to close the door, just to close the door. I stay awake, trying to read your mind. I can't read your mind, but your love got rules that change over time. Change all the time. Why are you waiting? Got me drowning when I know I could swim. If you love me, baby, say it with your chest. Yeah, I'm tired of the maybes, I just want the yes. Don't let me like a song on spin. If you ride for me, then ride to the end.
So the front mount design didn't work at all, basically because there's not enough steel on the lawnmower to screw those arms in. So I'm doing a toe behind version instead. And I could just have left the front mount ID out of this video, but I want to show everything, not cut away when stuff goes wrong. So this is what I ended up with. Folded this forward, 2 beams here, this triangle, toe bar, so toe behind. I'm gonna test it at least. I've been working on cleaning a bit in here, as you can sort of see. But now I started on this. I got this in here, but I've cleaned out here and so. But yeah, so I got the spare part for this is the spare part for my four-wheeler. It broke a couple weeks ago. Been waiting for a spare part. It's the starting relay, so I'm gonna fix that. So here I made my little electrical workplace with different electrical tools. Here we have mixed electrical wiring stuff that's gonna be filled up. Here I have electrical stuff. Perfect to have those what are they called in English? Cable things once you press one. A lot of random stuff. As I said, I've been working on kind of fixing in here. But yeah, first things first, before I do anything else here, I'm gonna fix the four-wheeler.
If you ride for me, then ride to the end.
I made this held up here, cut those pipes off so it could fold up. Added a chain here. Guess I'm gonna test it again. after doing some adjustments, this works very well. There's still some tweaks, little final touches and tweaks to do. I might want to make this controllable from the machine. But yeah, I'm gonna try to cut along the road here a bit. One thing I'm gonna fix is, as you can see here, when I'm driving, one wheel on the machine pushes a lot of the grass down on this side, or this whatever side I drive on. So I want to be able to side shift this so it runs behind the wheel, or even out a little bit outside the wheel, so I don't need to sit in the ditch to cut in the ditch, so to say. But yeah, I'm gonna fix that. So I've now fixed a side shifting thing here. I just tilted it and added a piece there. So I haven't tried it, but I'm gonna try it now, so you'll see.